Dear brothers and sisters, in the Gospel, we are told that Christ came to bear our infirmities on his body. He came to heal and to liberate humanity from diseases and to set them free. I thank the FMDM sisters of Mount Alvernia, especially the pioneers who have gone before us and left us with a great legacy of continuing their mission of healing and giving life to the sick and comforting those who are suffering. To the board, the staff, and collaborators of Mount Alvernia Hospital, thank you for seeking to rediscover the ideals of a true Catholic hospital, showing the face of Jesus to all, regardless of race, language, or religion. May God make you all fruitful in your ministry of healing. Congratulations on your 60th anniversary of medical and pastoral care. God bless you all.
It is my pleasure to join you, albeit virtually, at Mount Alvernia Hospital's 60th anniversary celebrations. Mount Alvernia Hospital was built in 1961 as Singapore's first not-for-profit private hospital, providing maternity and pediatric services. Today, the hospital also offers medical and surgical services and is setting up its new maternity and pediatric center and integrated oncology services center to meet the needs of the community. I would like to thank Mount Alvernia Hospital for partnering the Ministry of Health in various national healthcare initiatives. Take the COVID-19 pandemic, for example. At the peak of the outbreak in Singapore last year, Mount Alvernia Hospital received and cared for recovering COVID-19 patients, as well as patients with non-COVID-19 conditions transferred from public hospitals. This helped our public hospitals to continue caring for all patients, COVID-19 or otherwise. Prior to the pandemic, Mount Alvernia Hospital also supported the Health Promotion Board's National Colorectal Cancer Screening Program from 2018 to 2020 by providing subsidized colonoscopy services. Mount Alvernia Hospital continues to uphold its core principle and value to provide medical services with compassion and care to everyone who comes through its doors. In fact, beyond providing care within its hospital, the team has also reached out to the needy in the community with its community outreach services. To everyone at Mount Alvernia who has partnered and collaborated with us, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you. Keep up the good work and continue to touch the hearts of patients you serve. Once again, happy 60th anniversary.
Today is a great day of celebration for Mount Alvernia Hospital as it celebrates its Diamond Jubilee. On behalf of all FMDM sisters around the world, in England, Scotland, Ireland, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Rome, Jerusalem, and Malaysia, we really congratulate you on this wonderful occasion, a day of great thanksgiving and many blessings. I sometimes wonder about what was in the mind of our three pioneering sisters, Angela, Carmelis, and Baptista, as they set out on their missionary journey and eventually that led them to Singapore in 1949. They were posted to Tan Tock Seng Hospital to care for people living with tuberculosis and to Valga House to care for people living with leprosy. Their mission was simple: to share in the healing ministry of Jesus, bringing hope and restoring dignity. Little did they know their simple beginnings would contribute valuably to nursing in Singapore. Over the next 60 years, the physical structures of Mount Alvernia were to grow and change and expand, all to meet the needs of the healthcare of their time. What has remained is the vision, the mission, the values the early sisters dreamed and lived and brought to reality. To serve all with love. Mount Alvernia strives to continue to live this original identity as a place of welcome and compassion for all. A place where the dignity of all life is respected and celebrated. A place where the commitment to embrace religions, ethnicities, languages are all cherished. These values remain palpable and are a great source of joy. Today, we congratulate the board for their service in keeping alive the vision of the sisters. We congratulate all those who choose to volunteer and to work at Mount Alvernia. Those who continue the mission of bringing forth Christ. May that competency and compassion of the early sisters remain the hallmark of Mount Alvernia. May the missionary zeal and enthusiasm of our early sisters who have gone before us be the heartbeat of your many encounters as you continue to reach out and serve all with love. Congratulations, and may this Diamond Jubilee year be filled with blessings of hope and peace for all.
Today, as you celebrate your 60th anniversary, we want to assure you of our support, the chairman and board, executive team and staff, not forgetting the community of sisters. We affirm your unique role in healthcare and your reputation as a beacon of mercy and compassion. Your emphasis on maternal and child health truly witnesses to your FMDM legacy and gives flesh to the divine motherhood. May God bless your efforts. May your new endeavors continue to bear fruit, and we wish you a wonderful anniversary celebration and commemoration. Thank you.
March the 4th, 2021 is a deeply significant day and year for Mount Alvernia Hospital as we celebrate 60 years of God's continued blessings. As I look back, it is with much gratitude to God for His guidance and protection for the various development and projects through the years, and for all who have journeyed with us over the years, the doctors, dedicated staff, and their families. March the 4th, 1961, the official opening of Mount Alvernia Hospital was also a very special day and year for me, as I set sail on my religious journey, leaving Singapore for the first time away from my family as a young postulant to join our international novitiate in Ladywell, England. I have seen, experienced the transformation of Mount Alvernia Hospital and grown with the hospital over the years. I feel so richly blessed to know, in the words of St. Francis himself, we have done what was ours to do. I express my deep gratitude and appreciation to the past leadership, executive team, doctors and dedicated staff to continue to serve all with love and to keep our charism and values alive as we continue to the demands and progress and change. So daily, I can pray a heartfelt thanks and say with St. Paul, I thank my God each time I think of you, and when I pray for you, I pray with joy. Philippians 13, verse 4. Happy Diamond Jubilee, Mount Alvernia Hospital.
Blessings of peace on this joyous occasion, the 60th anniversary of Mount Alvernia Hospital. On behalf of all our FMDM sisters, I take this opportunity to pay tribute and express heartfelt gratitude to each and everyone who in one way or another contributed to the Mount Alvernia of today. Praise and thanks be to God. Thank you to our board of directors, management and staff, doctors, mission partners. I'm sure that our pioneer FMDM sisters are celebrating with us in spirit. At Mount Alvernia, each one plays a crucial part in embodying the healing ministry of Jesus Christ by serving all with love. May God continue to bless us in our mission and ministry at Mount Alvernia Hospital. Thank you.
As we celebrate the 60th anniversary of Mount Alvernia Hospital, we look back at 2020 and marvel at the challenges that we all had to overcome. Global pandemic has disrupted our life. What hospital is, it is the mobility of people, of staff, of patients. For a period, we were staring at a hole in our ground, wondering when the construction will be completed. Clearly, our operation was impacted, and we had to depend on the government support to shore up our finances. As bleak as things may look, I wonder what it would be like if we had done this interview in 1949 with the founding sisters. They just arrived onto a foreign shore, into an unknown reception, and with limited resources to help them. Yet, what they had was the courage and faith to respond to their vocation and the calling to bring God's love and healing to all who are in need. They started to serve where society has shunned, first with the patient at Mandalay Road, and then at Woodbridge, and the rest is history. Today, the stage may have changed, the healthcare services may have evolved, but it still requires the same courage and the same faith to respond to their calling. With that, I'd like to wish you all a happy 60th anniversary and look forward to serving all with love.
It has been 60 years since our FMDM sisters founded the Mount Alvernia Hospital. What has started out as a small mother and children hospital has evolved into a full-fledged general hospital. Over the next 2 years, we will continue to grow, adding a new mother and child block and a new integrated cancer center. But more important than the physical expansion of facilities and capabilities, these platforms will provide us more opportunities to touch lives and to serve more with love. I'm very blessed to be part of the Mount Alvernia Hospital family, and I hope that together with all my colleagues and doctors, we will continue to grow our core values of compassion, humility, integrity, respect, and peace, so that we can write more wonderful chapters of our Mount Alvernia Hospital history. Happy 60th anniversary.